My name is Engineer Girl. This is my first video. I hope you like it. We're doing a WeDo 2.0 unboxing with my dad right here. Start cutting this. Now let's open it.
Okay.
Okay, now let's flip this over and see the decoration. Okay, we see all this. These doesn't show in the box, so I think they don't go inside here.
Okay, let's open this up.
Okay.
So these are the different sets we have.
Yeah. Whoa, this is so big. How big is this?
Okay, let's start putting the stickers first on the sides. Okay?
The stickers are not here inside. I think they're inside more.
Okay.
Oh, the stickers are way on the bottom.
Oh yeah. Let's start putting up the stickers first.
Here's the instructions.
Okay.
We'll put them in the side.
Okay. Let's start opening it up and put the stickers on. So remember, now each box has been named.
Numbered.
Okay. So this is one. This is, oh sorry, we put it the wrong way. So this is one, this is two, this is, and this is the way it goes on. Okay. And then
there's two ones and on these. I think we do them here. Okay, so open part of them. Okay. Then how do we open this? Then where the batteries go?
So this thing is, we press it like this and it opens. And we put two new AA batteries inside it. Make sure you get the polarity right.
So those jumpy things have to go inside?
So see, this is...
This thing that goes there? And the other ones go in the other column?
Yeah.
Can I put it in?
And then you slide it and then it goes like this. Okay. So in order to do this, you do like this. You slide your batteries in and then you do this. Okay, this is done.
Wait, do we have to put in a bag or?
Oh, yeah, let's start putting this in a bag. Okay, let's open this guy up.
I need a scissors.
Okay.
Now this time you do it. I think you don't have to put these in the bags.
So these are the sensors. So
the controls from the app?
Yes. So what these do? So the first sensor. So remember why we call this sensor? Remember you have eyes?
Yeah.
They can see. This is like a distance sensor. It can see. It emits.
It kind of like two eyeballs.
Exactly. So it has two eyeballs. This one right here is a infrared LED.
What is that?
Yeah, infrared. So when we remember, we can see the light. Okay, it's everywhere. But there is some light we can't see, which is called an infrared light.
Like that?
This, yep, right. This emit an infrared light, and when it strikes something, it comes back, and this receives it. And then what really happened? We can detect the distance of an object based upon sending it up. So this can detect up to 15 centimeter. Anything which is up to 15 centimeter, it will detect it. Okay?
And is this the same thing?
No, this is not the same thing. This is
a different thing?
This is a different sensor. This is called a tilt sensor.
What's a tilt sensor?
It can tell you either your thing is like this, like this, like this, like this, or this. There are many ways to make a tilt sensor. I think they have used a device called accelerometer. Accelerometer measures the linear acceleration or the movement of an object, and that can be used to measure the direction because it can detect the shaking also. So I think by hinges they have used an accelerometer in order to make a tilt sensor.
Can I detect when I shake the table?
Yeah, it can detect it up. We will do it up when we build the project. Okay? So this is a tilt sensor. It measures the tilt.
Do we have to connect those?
And it might have a gyroscope also in it.
What is that?
So gyroscope is something that measures the rate of change. How the angular rate of change, how thing is moving like this. And we can mix the information from an accelerometer and a gyroscope to make a tilt sensor. We will go more in the details when we make a project. Okay?
Okay.
So this is a controller which is like a brain of our robot. These are the sensors. This one is like it can tell you like which orientation is this, and this is like its waist, like if there is anything in front of it. This is like eyes. So sensors, like we have sensors in we have eyes, we have ears, nose, we can smell. So these are the things which robot can see an outside world.
So in our next video we'll plug this in and we'll make the robot?
Exactly true. Okay, so now let's go toward these few new things in it. So what is this one?
You can just use your hands now.
Yep.
This goes on the top. Then this. I know this goes on the top, but there's no room for this.
Yeah. So this is a motor.
Is the motor like it connects it?
It connects to this, and it can make things rotate.
Like a rocking boat?
Yeah, like a rocking boat, like the wheels. This is the one that will gonna move the wheels. Remember, you need to move the wheels. This is the motor that will move the wheels. Okay? So this one, there are many different types of motors. This is a type of motor known as a DC motor.
What is a DC motor?
Oh, so there are two types of motor. So remember the supply that the cell the batteries that we have put on inside this one.
Yeah. It like slides on.
Are AA batteries which produce a DC current. DC current means it do not changes. So this is a DC motor because the current in it remain constant. We will go through it as we build the projects. There are different other types of motors also which are much more powerful than this, but they have been used in different projects. Okay?
Okay.
Let's put this in.
Look, we're all going. I wonder what this is for.
Oh, these are the wheels.
No, for like this change.
Okay.
We'll wonder that on the project.
Yes. Let's put these over here. Let's put everything at the bottom.
Those are so long pieces. So for a long piece?
Yeah, exactly true. Okay.
No, wait, this way. Oh, it's these AA batteries.
Yep. This produces the DC current.
Now I see the chains right here.
Yep. So this is the unboxing video of WeDo 2.0.
I hope I see you in our next video. Bye! I have to download this app to make the project for this.
Yes, this app is available on the Windows Store.
Thank you. I hope you liked this video. Bye! Bye.